Hi friends, today's topic is percentage. Before going to the topic percentage, I upload a video of percentage as well as ACF, LCM and unit element. Please see the videos and come back to this topic. It will be very understandable and very quick revision for all those topics. And what is meant by percentage? If anything is job need to be done, we need to give the commission. Then only job will need to be done. Also, in student wise, what is the percent of student like that? We need to talk about the percentage. And for about the beverages or else the liquor, if the for the government profit the GSTs need to be raised, then only profit percentage should be increased. Like that percentage for every percentage is the important thing in our daily life. Okay, we come back to the topic. Okay, what is fraction? The fraction is nothing but a numerator denominator value should be there. That is the fraction. If anything is value, um, that means I need to tell. Okay, if any numerator denominator value is present, then should be we could we call it as fraction number. See friends, this is the numerator value, this is the denominator value, numerator and denominator value. If the fraction is multiplied by 100, then should be we could be call it as percentage. If any value multiplication to 100 to the fraction value, then should be call it as percentage. We should be converted fraction into percentage. We need to multiply 100. That's it. Understand? Whatever the value, if the percentage value is present, if the percentage value is present, if we divide it, if the value is divisible by 100, then we should be converting as a fraction. If the value is multiplication by 100, then the fraction value become percentage. If the percentage value become the fraction, then we should be divisible by 100. This is the criteria, friends. Observe carefully. This is the table up to 20. We need to remember all the things. If for example already I told numerator denominator value, if 1 by 1, the 1 should be called it as 1 by 1 is nothing but a 1, we should be called 100%. Okay, if anything 1 into 2, that is 200, 1 into 3, 300%, like that. Observe carefully friends. For second one, 1 by 2, already I told 1 means 100, 100 divided by 2, that means 50 percentage, isn't it? 50 percentage. See, 50%. Then if 2 by 2, if the value is increased by 2 by 2, then what is the value? 50 into 2, that is 100%. That 2 by 2 is 1 only. That means 100% only. 3 by 2, the 50 into 3, 150%. 4 by 2, that means 50 into 4, that is 200%. Isn't it? If I multiply the value into 100, that should be same only. 100 into 100. 400 divided by 2, that is 200. I'm telling the same, we need to think like that for the shortcuts. Understand what I mean to say? That means 5 by 2. Understand what is 5? 1 by 2 is the 50%. 50 into 5, 250%. Like that we need to think. Like, see care, observe carefully, as well as numerator and denominator. I'm thinking whatever the value denominator, if goes on increasing, the values are decreased, the percentage values are decreased. Observe carefully, 1 by 3 33%, 1 by 4 25%, 1 by 5, the values are denominator increasing but percentage is decreasing. Like that we need to remember. As well as what I mean to say, um, already I told 1 by 8, 1 by 8 is nothing but a 12.5%. That means into 100 we need to give 1 is nothing but 100. I'm already told 25%. For example, 2 by 8, what is meant by 2 by 5? That is 25% only. Why? Right? 12 to the 24, 25.5, 25%. If 100 visitors, the 25 should be coming. If for example 5 by 8, that means 25 by 6 into 6 into 5, 60 plus 2.5, that is 62.5. Like that we need to remember. For 3, 3 by 8, what should be answer? Answer 12 3 is the 36. 36 means zero point 0.5 is there. 3 means 1.5, that is 37.5 should be coming. Understand? We need to think it is like for a fraction value we need to make it a 1 by a is 12.5, then you should be values coming as like that. We need to think, then only it will be very better to practice from your end. Just I am telling how to do the shortcut for this percentage. Understand? See, for example, I have my salary is increased. My salary is 25% taken as a tax. If 25% taken as a, I would get what is the amount of the salary should be reduced. I will take by hand as reduce the salary. That means If the values are increasing, then we should be 1 by n. That we mean to say I am getting the salary is reduced. That means 4 plus 1. That means 1 by 5. That means 20. 1 by 5 means 20%, isn't it? That is by hand is reduced. If the tax are increased, by hand amount is reduced. We need to think. If any value is increased 1 by n percentage, that means if any questions is coming later, we need to think directly, because I will do the problem. Definitely you would understand what I mean to say. Just keynote I am telling. Understand? On plus effect, the values are decreasing. The already I told, if numerators are increasing, the values are become, sorry, denominator are decreasing. The denominator increasing, the values are decreasing with a percentage. If numerators are decreasing, then we need to do for the increasing n minus 1. Then another value, for example, 1 by 4 is there. If values are decreasing 1 by 3, that means 1 by 3, 33%. Compared to 25%, 33.3% increase. Like that, we need to remember for this single question answer, because I will tell in next problems. Let's see. Just keynote for I am telling. Okay. Move on to the next out. Better to please remember. Just pass it and write it down what I am written and mug it out from your end. Okay. Next one. Next slide. This is the formula. Just I am brief explaining about the cost price and selling price as well. The bigger percentage is important thing for the base for all the ratio and proportion unitary method. And please see the video for unitary method and come back to these topics. Okay, what is meant by cost price? If you're buying something or any of the material, that is the cost price. If you buy the material, that is the cost price. If you're selling the material, that is the selling price. Understand? If market price is nothing, but if I am buy the material, for example, I buy the material, I bought one pen from my friend for 2 rupees. Understand? 2 rupees. That is the cost price. Initial the market price was 5 rupees. The cost exact cost is 5 rupees for the MRP rate. Then I will sell, because of the lockdown, I will sell my pen to one of my friend as 7 rupees. Understand? That is the selling price. What is the profit of these things? 5 rupees profit. Understand? But he thought only 2 rupees profit. But actual profit is what he got is 5. Like that we need to, what is my cost price? Cost price is nothing but we bought from anything from others, that is the, we need, what is market price? That is a fixed value. We need to, we give the, if any prices or increase or decrease, that is the constant value, that is the market price. If anything is going, if selling, for example, if the onion cost is increasing, because onion manufacturing is decreasing, but we should be, if anything increase or decreasing, the cost should be the same. That is the MRP thing, market price. Selling price means we need to give the material to some other person. That is the selling price. Selling means that name should be suggested selling only, and it's a profit. Remember, what is profit? The profit is nothing but a, already I told, cost price, selling price. The selling price should be greater than cost price. Then should be call it as profit. Because if I'm already I told cost price is 2, market price is 5, and selling price is 7. See, the cost price should be higher than the sorry, the selling price should be higher than the cost price, then should be called it as profit. If the price is, if the cost price is increased than the higher, then should be loss. Then that's why the profit or gain is nothing but selling price is the selling price minus cost. That should be selling price is greater than the cost price. Loss, for the loss, selling price should be greater than the cost price should be greater than the selling price for the loss thing. For the percentage, for the denominator or loss, for the percentage of the profit or loss, denominator should be, for the, remember, denominator should be cost price. Why? Because original value, that is the initial value, we need to remember initial value should be the cost price. That's why we need to be maintained as a cost price man. Like that we need to remember. For example, this is the main formula, the cost price gain by CP into 100. Like that we need to write a cost price minus L. That means, sorry, this is common, I didn't mistake here. CP common as the something, that's why CP into CP, SP divided by CP minus 1 into 100. Like that we need to just pause it and write it down the formula. It would be, here I did the mistake, but please return on correctly. CP is the common thing while writing in your notes. Okay. Other thing I need to tell how to remember this for whatever the problem is the cost price is the initial price. The initial price is equal to difference in percentage. Difference in percentage divided by 100 is equal to final price. We need to, for every problem, we need to think the initial price nothing but a CP. Different by 100 plus or minus is like that divided by 100. Like that, we need difference in percent. That means 100 plus or minus 100 divided by is equal to SP. Whatever the percent increase or decrease like that, we need to increase the amount of, like if any values is 102% increase, 2% decrease, 3% like that. If anything is coming, that means what I mean to say 102, 103. Okay, we should to add like that. We need to divide by 100 also. We need to add for the final value. That means final value is nothing but a SP1. Please remember this one. This is the very key point for every problem. If you understand this topic, initial value or final value, definitely you will solve in many of the problem. CP means initial value, SP means final value. Let's move on to the topic. This is the formula M. Whatever the market price with respect to calculate with the selling price only. Whatever the selling price we need to calculate with the MP with respect to the cost per unit we need to do the problems. Let's see the problem. Let's take the problems how to do. Okay. For the first problem, okay, the selling price and cost price of an article. First, I will tell the basic, then I will tell the shortcuts of this problem. The selling price and cost price of the article is differ from. Okay, already I told. CP is equal to difference in percentage divided by 100 is equal to SP. Just remember, or else CP is equal to difference in percentage. Then difference in 100 plus or minus X is equal to SP into 100. Understand? What the question? The selling price and cost price of the article differ from 480. Okay. SP minus CP is 480 differs. Understand? They given. And what is the selling price? Okay. We need to calculate the selling price over here. Okay. Could we write in a word? Because we need to calculate the selling price. Shall I write on this as this equation as like this? CP is equal to SP minus 480. Why should I written? I am moving from minus into here from equals. It should be coming as positive CP. Then it should be coming 420. Move it as here SP minus 480. For this equation, I convert it down from because I need to calculate SP. That's why I maintain the equation as like this. What is the selling price of the? What is the profit percentage? Is the 20%. Okay. Okay, already I told what is the difference. First, I will show for the basic one. Already we know what is the CP. We already write on the SP minus 480. Understand? Then what is the increase of the percent? Because profit you mentioned. The profit is the mention. There should be increase. 100 plus 20 is 120. 120 divided by 100. Because I'm following. Because either this formula is nothing but the same one. Because I'm moving the 100 to here. Understand? Is because sometime I would return here, sometime I would return here. Please understand while I'm writing the formula. Please think and please don't confuse about it in future problems. Just I'm clarifying here only into SP I'm calculating. Okay, what is the 26 26 the 25 that means 26 the 25 the 6 by 5 is coming. Then what should be answer? Then 6 is moving to that one. The SP is moving. There's a 6 SP minus 480 into 6 is equal to 5 sp. I am moving this 5 to here. Sp therefore 6 sp minus 5 sp is equal to sp is coming. Therefore 480 into 6. 6 8 48, 48 4 carry 6 4 24, 24 28. 2880 is the answer. Answer should be coming as 2880. 480 into 6 is as 2880. This is the long method from the basic. This is the base thing. How could we do in within 10 or 10 seconds? How could we do? Let's see carefully. Already I told what is the 20% value. 20% means 1 by 5 value. What is the original value? This is the original value. We should be call it as original value. Depend upon the loss of profit, this is increment. What is the numerator? You should be call it a increment or decrement value. Here profit, that is the increment. What is the final value and initial value? Initial value is the 5 only. Okay. After increase the profit 1. That means 5 is converted to 5 plus 1 6. Here is given the difference between the cost price and selling price. Difference between what is the difference between cost price and selling price? 1 unit. 1 unit is equal to 480. Understand? Then he is telling to calculate selling price. What is selling price? Yes, 6 unit. Then what is the unit of 6 unit? Then already I told in unit term, please see the unit term better you will understand why I am applying like that. Just keep it as 480 same only. Then numerator we need the higher value. Then compare 6 divided by 1. Then 480 divided by 6 is 2880 is the answer. How come? It is taken only 5 or 10 seconds, isn't it? Like that we need to do. If we know the basic agenda, then we could easily solve from that table because 120% is the 1 by 5. That means increment profit is there. If any loss is there, 5 by 4 is happening on that time. Bigger difference they given in problem. What is the difference from cost price and selling price? The 1 unit. Then we need to calculate the selling price. What is the selling value? 6 unit. For the 6 unit, how much value? 480 into 6, that is the 2880 is the value, isn't it? Then I'm moving to the second problem. Okay, the person sells a wooden furniture 108% profit taken. 8 against loss. Okay, the furniture profit is he got the profit. Okay, profit is 100 plus 8, 108%, as well as loss. What is the loss? 100 minus 8 is 92%. Could be earned as 200 or more. That means we need to how much he earned for this. What is the difference between cost and this difference between this value? 16% is the difference from 108 and 12. 108 minus 92 is 16%. He could have earned 12 rupees. Then what is the cost price he mentioned? Cost price is nothing but a 100% value. Then 100% should be higher than for computer. This keep it as like one. We need the higher value. Numerator given 100 and 16. 3 the 4 the 4 3 the 4 4 the 16. 4 1 the 425 the 25 3 the 75. Isn't it easy way? 75. How much time taken? Only 1 or 2 seconds it is taken. Maximum it is 5 seconds. If your speed, definitely could do. 75 is the answer. Moving on, move on to the next topic, next problem. Okay. And metallic alloy contains 20 gram of copper, 20 gram of tin, and 40 gram of silver. Then find out the percentage of tin in alloy. What is the alloy? Alloy is nothing but a combining of all the material. We should be called it as alloy. If you are a mechanical student, definitely you would understand what is meant for alloy. Or as chemical students also definitely know about that. We need to calculate the percent of tin with the alloy. Okay. Why? Alloy means nothing but already I told percent. What is the total of the alloy? Alloy means combination of this thing. Alloy is equal to combination of this thing. What is the combination? One is copper, one is tin, one is silver. 20 gram plus 20 gram as well as silver is 40 gram. Totally original value is 40, 60, 80. We need to calculate with respect to the alloy with the tin. Then 20. What is the tin value? 20 divided by 80 into 100. No need of 100 if you know that because 1 by 4 is the, we already know 24. The 1 by 4 is 24, 25%. If you know that 1 by 4 is 20 directly we can't if you are not at all knowing the table definitely just multiply. If the percentage fraction value we need to convert it into percentage, we need to multiply by 100. Anyway, 1 by 4 is 25, 25% is the answer, the percentage of tin in the alloy. Okay, let's move on to the next topic, next problem. The price of the petrol increased by 20%, subsequently increased by 40%. Okay, for this problem, a number of method is coming because I can do for 2 3 methods. I will show how come. Already I told the price of the petrol increased by 20%. I don't know the initial price. Just I will assume just say 100 rupees like that. Then the original price is 25. Okay, he given the original price 25, cost price is given. Then what is the 25 per liter? Then what is the final price per liter? Okay, what is the price per final price per liter? Then okay, I will already I told CP is equal to difference in percentage. Difference in percentage is equal to SP. That means initial minus initial value, final value. That means what is initial value? 25. Here increasing in the value 120, 100 plus 20, 120 divided by 100. Then here also 140 divided by 100. We need to calculate SP1. That is the final value. Just move it down. This is the 1. This is the 1. 25 for the 4 3 the 14 3 the 42. Answer 42 is the answer. Isn't it a easy way? 42 is the answer. Final one is the 42. After rising the increasing the price 20% 40%, the final increase amount is 42. This is the formula method. Either we can do from successive percent increase. How can I, if I apply any form of successive increase per if any successive increase or decrease is happening, better to use this formula x plus y plus xy is equal to 100. Just 20 is increasing, 40 is increasing, plus 20 into 40 divided by 100. 0 0 cancel. Okay. Um, Totally 68. For 68%. Okay. We already know for 100% it should be coming as 25 rupees. Now it is 68% means 168%. How could be the amount? 25 divided by 168 divided by 100. 25 for the 4 for the 4 to the 42 is the answer. Like that also we can do the problem. Or as one more method is there. See, um, anyway, 1 by 4 is increasing, right? 20% is 1 by 5. Initial value, okay, I will write, otherwise you will confusion. 1 by 5. Increment is value is going on, therefore initial amount is 5 and 6. One more value is 40%. 40% already it's told. What is the 40% here? Um, 2 by 5. That means increasing. 2 by how come 2 by 5? That is anyway if you're 2 adding 1 into 2. It should be 20 into 2 40%. Like that's why I'm adding like that. Already I told in the initial stage of the please move on to if you're not understanding topic. Then understand final value become 5, initial value 5 and the 20. Here he given the initial value 25. Understand? Then what should be the 5 by the 25? Then final amount here become after raising the 20%. What is the final amount? 6 5 means 30. Then it should be coming as initial value 30 is coming. There 5 6 is 30. Then what is the 7 into 6? Because why I'm 6 7 5 6 to 30, 7 6 to 42 is the answer. Like that, because if you are doing many of the humorous method will come, which one is preferable? Better to choose a method, because I am showing all the method, all the method here. Just do it. Which one is preferred, just do that method, because base is the important. If you are knowing the basic, definitely it will come numerous method in your mind. Okay, next problem 42 is the answer. Okay, here the problem is the price of the product is decreased. I will show the both the method. Which one is preferred? You can do from just pass it and do from your end as well. The price is rupees 3. You know what is the final price? Okay, the given. I will do from scratch and okay formula method initially. What is the initial value? Original value initial value is 300. That means CP is equal to difference in percentage is equal to SP, or else you can move on to the 100 to there only 300. Then what is the percentage increase? 120. 120 divided by 100. Then we need to calculate the final value, that means SP value. Then cancel here. Then tell to the 36. 360 is the answer, isn't it? Or else 20%. That means 20% means 1 by 5. Initial value is increase, that is increase, that way plus 1. Initial value is 5, final value is 6. Initial value they given 300. 5 6 is 30, that means 60. Therefore 60 into 60, 360 is the final amount. Isn't the easy way? 360 is the answer. Okay, for the next topic, next problem. Okay, the 35% of a number is 312. What is the number? Okay, original amount. Okay, 35%. I can do by, because which one is for 35? I will show both the methods. For 35% is coming as 112. For 100% should be higher value only. 112 into 100 divided by 35, because see, keep the value. If you are not at all knowing that logic, keep the value same as it is, because 35% 120, 100% should be higher. Whatever the, if you want higher value, just numerator keep it a higher value, because we want higher value, that's why keep it as higher value in the numerator. Okay, what should be the thing it is going on? 7 5 the 35, 7 16 the 112, therefore 5 on the 520 the 520 the 12 to the 32. Therefore, 320 is the answer. This is the one way of the problem, or else do from a 35% of a number. 35 divided by 100 into x. I don't know the number, and 112. Please solve, and the answer will be coming as same on the 320. 320, that means 112. 112 into 100 divided by 35. That should be the same only what I written. Okay. Next one. Next problem. The 70%, 75% of a number when it is added to 75%. Okay, I will do uh, base one as well as the formula method. 75% I will show for base and base method. Base, if you understand, definitely will understand. 75% of a number, I don't know the number x I given us, and added to a number of 75, and what and is equal to that number. I don't know the equal to that number. What is the number? That is 100% into x. Okay, what should be the number here? That means I would do, okay. Just I will percentage, I will neglect this one. 75%, it will be very easy for me. 25%, coming 100 minus 75, 725% of x is equal to 75. 75 should become, therefore x is equal to 3. We should be into, we need to give, because 100 I am neglecting on the time. 300 is the answer for this question, or else do from that matter. 75 we already know, 3 by 4. What is the 3 by 4? 3 initial amount is 3 by, that is 4 by 3. That should be 3, 4 by 3, because if you are adding the value, the 1 unit is equal to 75, then 4 unit is equal to 1 unit is equal to 75, then 4 unit is equal to 75 into 4 divided by 1, that means 300 is coming the answer. 4 5 the 20, 2 the carry, 4 7 the 28, plus 2 300. 300 is the answer for this question. How come, which one is preferred? Please think and do like that. If your grip in that problem, definitely if you solve more one, definitely you will have grip in the hand, and as well as your mind. Okay. um, Next problem, mukul income. Okay, this is a very interesting problem. Already I told, just don't take any of the time. Already I told, if the income is more, therefore the mukul have by hands, because another more person is decreasing only. For example, I will show how could be the answer. 10% is increasing, means the value should be decreasing. Already I told in the initial level only. That means 10 plus 1, that is less we need to give, because the number should be higher. 1 by 11, 1 by 11 is nothing but a, if you know the formula, definitely would identify, or else into 100 should be coming as 9.09. 9.09 is the answer for this question. Okay, next problem. Okay, this is the basic problem. Fraction is given percentage, then what is the percentage we need to convert into 100? That's it. Huh? What should the answer is coming as? 110, that should be 91. um, just 3 the 4 3 the 425 the, if you're not at all understanding. 11, that means shortcut method already applied for the 11. How could be 2 5, and middle we are adding 275 divided by 3, Answer should be coming as 91, 2 by 3 is the answer. Y should be coming as 2 9 the 27, 3 1 the 3, that is 2 is the remainder and 3 is the thing. 91, 2 by 3 is the answer for this question. Okay, next question. The rent of the house is increased by 7,000 and final amount also given. What is the increment? What is the percentage of original rent? Okay, this is also very easy percentage profit problem. Why? Because it is a percentage profit problem only. CP is given as initial value already told. If forget like that, better remember initial final value like the formula. Final SP value 7,700 because we need to increase in the price because what is the difference between the percentage or else apply the formula profit percentage formula SP minus CP divided by CP and 200. If you are solving multiple, definitely it will be very easier. What is the difference? 700 divided by 7,000 into 100. Therefore 10% is the answer for this question. Isn't the easy way? Okay, for the next problem. The cost of the bike, because this is also a very easy problem. Okay, the cost of the bike here was CP is equal to 19,000 19,000 and as well as cost around year. It cost this year is 70,000. Now it is shifted to final value 17,000. What should the percentage decrease? We already know the loss value because here it is decreasing. Directly I will apply the formula here 200 because difference amount is 19,000 to 200 divided by 19,000 or else apply the formula loss is equal to CP minus SP by CP into 100. Okay, which one is preferable? We can apply this formula. Okay, 90,000 into 100. The answer will be coming as then because anyway 19 is ruled out from this one because denominator 99 this is not at all coming because anyway 200 divided by 10 should be coming. This is the correct answer because it should be riser. This also neglect 10 10 by 19 from the while doing the problem just if see the options. If the options are available right, better take the options and calculate. It will be very easier to getting the marks in any of the exams. What I mean to say. Okay, next one. A positive number is divided by 5 instead of being multiple. Okay. I don't know the positive number. I would take it as 101. Okay. If 101, I should multiply this one. What is the initial one? That should be coming as 500. What is the initial divided by? If 100 value divided by 2, that should be coming as, 5 this is. That should be coming as 20. Then what percent should be the required correct value? Okay. Then 20 divided by 500 into 100. What should be the answer? 0 0 0 0 20 divided by that is 4% is the answer. 20 divided by 5 4% is the answer. Isn't the easy way? Because while doing the please understand the topic and do the problem. Definitely it will be easy. Instead of multiplication, instead of division, they would multiplication. Instead of division, the person is dividing. On that time, what is the percentage is asking required rate of correction rate. Just what is the just think the number, assume the number as 100, and what is the percentage? Just do it from your end. That's it. If the problem is coming like that. Okay, next problem. 3.5% income is taken as a tax. The 20.5% is remaining is saved as okay. Okay, we already know the formula for this problem. 3.5% income is taken as tax and 12.5% remaining is saved. This is leaves out. This is the final one. Final remaining is 4,053 to spend. What is the income? Fine, we don't know the exact number. We already know initial, that means CP, difference in percentage. Number of difference in percentage should become whatever the coming is as final value. Here 2 times is decreasing. What is the initial value? We need to calculate. Okay, 100. Okay, 100 minus that is difference in percentage after 100 plus or minus x divided by 100. What is the minus? This is a 3.5% divided by 100, as well as 100 minus 12. Okay, directly I would return what is the 1 by 12.5, that is 1 by 8. For 1 minus 100 minus 1 by 8, that is 7 by 8. I will directly return. I will not at all. Just use your mind for the reducing the steps. Just I will return as 7 by 8 here. Then final value they given 4053. Initial value that should be coming as 96.5 divided by 100. Could have written as here only, for that the fraction converted into multiply both the side into 10. 965 divided by 1000 into 7 by 8 is equal to 4053. Okay, already uploaded a video for the 7 multiples for the divisible. Please see the video. But anyway, it is divided by 4053 is 7. Please see the method divisible. I will tag this in description section in above the things like this height 7 7 5 the 35 7 49 7 9 63. Okay, then move on to the which one is divisible. 5 to the then 5 193 the 193 3 that it is coming. Then x is equal to 3 into 200 into 8, 24 into 200, that is 24 into 2 48. 4800 is the answer for this question. For the initial income, CP is the, what is the final initial price? 2000 4800 is the answer for this question. Okay, move on to the next problem, because video is taking time is taking too long for every problem. Just I am covering first half of this problem. I thought that I will complete all the problem, but time is taken more. Okay, second 14 problem. Okay, um, I will show first initial one. Anyway, the price is increased. We know the expenditure formula. Expenditure is equal to price into, I show the shark already we know, because 20%. 20% is nothing but 1 by 5. If values are increasing, means that should be decreasing the concept. That means 1 by 4, 1 by 6, or 1 by 6, 16, 1 by 6 is 16, 2 by 3 is the answer. Direct answer is 16, 2 by 3. I will show the my base method as well. Percent x by 3. Therefore, what is the price of the increase? 122 to 120%, because initial price is 100 and consumption also is 100. Then expenditure is multiplication of those things 10,000. Then increase by 20%. Then we don't know how much reduced, like that, minus x. Therefore 10,000. Therefore 10,000, 20% increase means 120 is coming. Now this is 100 minus x. Okay, for solving that problem, okay, I will do. Okay, 3 the 4 to the 40, 3 the 40 25. That means 4 5 the 100, 25 for the 100. That's why I'm taking as 40, like that. Multiplying from 40, 4 3 the 43 the 120, and 40 250 the 10,000. That means what I mean to say. Then remaining at 250 is equal to 300 minus 3x. That should be coming as 3x is equal to 50. If we are solving that one, 50 by 3, it should be coming as same dot only. 3 1 the 3, 2 0, 2 6 the 18. That means 16 2 by 3 is the answer. Got it? How is the base thing? That's why I'm using directly for initial level only. I spotted down how to reduce the steps, as well as like if the values are increased, definitely there should be decreased with the denominator. That's why directly you can, if any value is coming in increasing, just there should be decrease only. 1 by values denominator is increased. That means the percentage need to be decreased only. 16 2 by 3 is the answer. 16.6 is the answer. Okay, or else like also we need to do, or its initial value is 5 into 6 as well as final value become 60 to 5. Price of the consumption already I told. I will show here how to do the answer. See, this is also method already I told. Okay, see carefully son. One value is increasing. Okay, one value is decreasing. That means price of the value initially 5 by 6. Then should be reciprocal of this number. Whatever the consumption, this should be reciprocal of this number. Just multiply for the 5 6 30. Then see whatever the number is coming. This is the 6 is the number. Therefore 100 divided by 6 is coming as 16 2 like that also we need to think and do the problem. Here it is asking the expenditure one. Expenditure is 6 is coming expenditure. Just 100 divided by 6 answer should be coming as same only. This is the one. Okay, next problem. The population of certain town increase at the rate certain rate of percentage of 4 and now the percentage 4561. Okay, fine. Okay, here is the initial one. The 4 years ago 390625 and 4 years is happening. 4 years we don't know the exact rate of increase and we need to calculate for that 4 5 6. Then after increment of the 4 years 4 5 6 9 7 6 is the answer. Again question is it was what will be the 2 years. Okay, after 2 years what will the people, what is the population increase or decreasing, this question after what is the rate of the percentage. Okay, we already know initial and final value. What is the initial value? 390625 and difference in percentage we don't know the difference in percent. Just make it a calculate return plus r divided by 100 is equal to 4 for final value 456,976 is the initial minus final value already I told. Okay, after calculating 100 plus or divided by, okay, here 4 years we need to 4 years. So then we should be call it as this one as 26 divided by 25 whole to the power of 4 to the power of 4. After calculating 4 cancel should become 2500 plus 25 r is equal to 26,000 r. Sorry, 20 r is not equal to 26,000. Then r is equal to 4% is coming. Why? Because 100 divided by 25. Because here it is coming. Therefore 100, 25,000, 26,000, 2,600 minus 2,500 is 100. 100 divided by 25 is 4. 4% is the answer. Therefore apply this logic here. Anyway, we got the initial. I will rub it down. We got already 4% is the one answer. The option should be coming as only 2. This is neglected. Either this should be or this should be answer. What is the initial value now? 456,976 is the answer. Initial value. Okay, percentage we already got 4% divided by 100. Then 2 years for this. That's why I'm taking as a whole square. Number of years is as well as we don't know the x value. I will take an x value. Then I will calculate 4 5 6 9 7 6. Then with the 104 I will directly 26 is coming. Why? Because 104 and 25 is coming. After solving all the things we could take the answer of these things definitely from the shortcut. 426549 is the answer. Just calculate from your end. Already I did a video for the shortcut. Please see all the video and do it from your end how to do. Okay, next problem. Answer is this one. This is the answer for this question. 4% 494265. Okay, next problem, friends. Next problem is the population of the city is increased at a rate of 4% per annum. Okay, there is addition of annual increase of 1% of the population due to influx of the job seeker. Okay, fine. 1% is increasing. Find the percentage increase of the population after 2 years. Okay, We need to calculate the final value here. Initial value of the population I would take as 100, and 4 plus 1% increase means 4% plus 1% increase in the population, that means 5%. So for the 2 years, that means I would take as 105 divided by 100 square. I would here 2 instead of this one. I would rub it on. I will write on as for the easy calculation. 105 by 100 is equal to, we need to calculate, we don't know, we need to calculate x value, that's why. Anyway, 100 cancel. After calculate this 105, 10.25 is coming. For that 10 anyway 10.25% is ready. This is the answer for this question. 10.25 is the answer. Okay, or else do from your end like that. Okay, next problem. The number is increased by 10%, then it is decreased by 10%. Find the increase. The already I told, if any successive increase or decrease is coming, better to apply the formula as this one, or else I will do show from initial value final value, that means CPSP method. What is the initial? I would take an as initial 100. I am, because what is increase and decrease in the percentage? Okay, there should be increase in the percent 1 not 10, 10% increase and 10% decrease. 90 divided by 100, we need to calculate the how much percentage increase on the time. 10 10 cancel and 0 0 0 0 is the cancel. 99%. For the 99, how much percentage decrease? Minus 1% is the answer for this question. 100 minus 99, that should be, so the 99 minus 100, that is minus 1. This is the answer. Or else do from like that. If any successive increase, x plus all rate. If any successive percentage or successive decrease is coming, better to apply this formula. X plus y plus xy divided by 100. Therefore, what is the one is increase, one is decrease. Therefore, 10 into minus 10 divided by 10. Therefore, cancel. Therefore, answer, this is also cancel. Remaining is minus 1 is the answer, because 100 minus 100 divided by, here it is coming as 100 minus 100 divided by 100. This should be coming as minus 1 is the answer for this question. Okay, next question. The price of the coin decreased by, again it is excessive decrease or increase formula. Okay, I will apply decrease minus 10%, and again two successive decrease minus 20, plus minus 10 minus 20 divided by 100. Therefore, minus 30 minus 200 divided by 100. Therefore, 32. This plus should be minus, minus should be converted plus. Therefore, minus 28 is the answer for the decrement of the curve. Minus 28 is the answer. The curve decrement is about minus 28% here. Answer for this question. Okay, next thing. The visual request 40% report. If any passing or questions are coming, exam question, passing line question is coming, we shall request 40% to pass. Okay, just like that line we need to write 40%. This is the passing line, we need to think passing line. Okay, what is the passing line of this one? 40%. Okay, and if he got 185 per person, okay, he got 185% marks. Okay, marks, he got 185 and failed shortened by 15. So this is a fail, this is the pass line, this is the fail line. 15. What about the pass line? Okay, if you are writing like that, definitely it will be very easy for you. See, what are the passing line? Because anyway 15% fail means there should be answer 40% is equal to 200 marks. Maximum is 100%. For a 100% should be here. 200, keep it as same, that one 100. That means numerator should be 100, denominator should be 40. What should be the 45? Therefore 500 is the maximum mark for this question. Isn't the easy way for calculator, because Analysis is very important. How to do the problem within a short period of time. Like that, if you are writing this problem, definitely you will not do mistake or anything here. Understand? Like that, we need to do the problem here. Okay, I will take one more problem. Okay, a candidate scored 50%, failed by 30 marks. Okay, fine. Already I told better to put it a line like that. It will be very easy for us. This is the passing line. This is the numerator. The upside passing. This is winner. The pass. Okay. Here 15% fail. Okay, 15%. I would written as this is 15% failed by 30 marks. Okay, 13 marks failed by 13 marks. Okay. While another candidate score 40% get 20% more than the minimum score. This is the I don't know the what is the minimum marks of the minimum marks. Here 20 parts 20 marks it is higher, and what is the percentage? 40%. Okay, other than we don't have any data, but we know in between the value, what is in between the value? 50 marks, 50, and difference between the percentage, what is the difference between percentage here? 40 minus 20, because this is the difference between the percentage, and total value is 50 marks, 15 marks. Understand? Here what is the problem? Maximus we need to find out. What is the maximum of marks? What is the percentage? Difference in percentage is 25%, isn't it right? For 25% is to 50, uh, 50 marks. Whatever the 100% for these things, 50, keep it as that one, 50 only. We need to 100%, the numerator is 100 and denominator 25. 25 to the 200 is the answer. Answer 200. If you're drawing the line like this, definitely it will be very easiest method to solve the problem. Like if any problems is coming like this, better to write the problem. Definitely you will not have a confusion. Even just difference in percentage and as well as the conclude the total. Why we are adding this much like that? We need to from this bar method we need to adding the number. Understand? Okay. Next problem. Okay. If the radius of the circle, okay, we are already know the what is the radius of the area is equal to pi r square. If the radius is increased by 10%, okay, r square 10%. Anyway, successive problem. This is also successive problem. X plus y plus xy 10 plus 10 plus 10 into 10 divided by 100. Cancel. Therefore, 21 is the answer for this question. 21% is the answer for the area of the increase for this question. If any successive increase, if any increase like the question is coming, better to calculate like this form of successive increase or else the initial price or the cost price or whatever I need to, because already I told the basic, that's why basic is the very important thing. Basic formulas are very, if you understand the basic formula as a basic assumption of this problem, definitely to solve any of the problem in future for time and work as well the profit and loss or in future mensuration problem will definitely will solve any of the. If you are grip in both the topics ratio, proportion, profit and loss as well as percentage. Percentage is the base for all the ratio and proportion as a profit, and unitary method is the base for all the problems. What I mean to say. Please see the unitary method video and then come back to this topic. Okay, I will take the next problem. If the length and width of the rectangular garden were each increased by 20%, then what would be the percentage increase in the area? Okay, we already know the rectangular. What is the area of the rectangular? Length into breadth. Here 20% again is a successive percentage. Just I am calculating from successive percentage. 20% plus 20 plus 20 into 20 divided by 100. 40 plus 4, because mean to say 0 is the cancel thing. To do the 44 is the answer for this question. 44% is the answer for this question. For area is increased, the percentage increase of the area of the gardening is 44% for this question. If any question is coming, please understand the topic and do the problem, whether why we need to apply the successive rate formula like that. Okay, for the next problem. Okay, this is also a one-time question for this answer. How could be the questions? Very easy question. This is also I will show from base end what is the salary is income 50%. That means 150, and what should be the salary less than that of the person rate. Okay, we don't know one more person rate. We need to calculate is less is given 100 minus 100 into 100. We are solving this problem. Okay, I will do the problem. 15 3 the 15 2 the that is 200. That is anyway one more 100 is there. That's why. Therefore, 3x minus 300. That means sorry 300 or 300 minus 3x is equal to 200. That means 200 answer is 33 divided by 3. Why should be 33? Because anyway x is equal to if I shifting that one 100 divided by 3 33 divided by 1 by 3. That means 3 3 the 9. Like that it will be coming. For the shortcut we already told how to do the shortcut. For any more is coming 1 by 2 is more. That means value should be added 2 plus 1. That is 1 by 3. 1 more. 1 by 3 is nothing but a 33 per. This one more method. This is second method. This is the first. Which one is prefer? You can, because for this kind of problem, better to choose this method. 1 by n. The values are increasing. We should apply the exponential value should be decreasing n plus 1. So the denominator is higher. We need to add the denominator is higher coming. There should be decrease on the. Or else if values are decreasing, there should be n minus 1. So many times I replied. Please remember this logic. Okay. Next problem. Ravi weight is 25% that of the Meena. Okay, we don't know the exact weight of that one person. Okay, Ravi and Meena. I will return. This is the ratio problem. Okay, I will solve here. 25%. 25%. I don't know exact percent of Meena. 25% of that Meena. Because I would thought it's 100% of that. Again, and 40% that of Tara. Okay, again Ravi is 40%. Tara. That means 40. Again I will calculate 100. Understand? Is anyway 1 by 4 is coming. Here it is 2 by 22 the 25 the. Now what is the ratio? If any ratio problem is coming like that, Meena, Ravi as well as Tara. What is the Ravi ratio here? Meena 4 is to 1. Understand? Again here ratio of this one 2 is to 1. Fine. Anyway, we should Ravi has both the end. We need to multiply into 2. Why? Because we need to equal for this one. 2 into 2. 1 is there. That's why. 4 to the 8 and 2 is to 5. Anyway, we already know. We need to what is the percent of Tara's weight is Meena's weight. Okay, we need to calculate the percent with the Tara weight as well as the this one. Anyway, we know the 100% is equal to 5 for the Tara one. What is the percentage of mean hour with respect to the Tara? It should be higher only, right? 100 keep the value same as it. We need the higher value, that's why make it a numerator 8. We have 5 to the 20. That means 160 white is the Tara thing. See, I already told how can we do 160. One more method for the ratio. I will tell you here. Anyway, answer is coming 160. See, if any problem is coming like that for the ratio thing, for A is to B, B is to C, that means if any A is to B and B is to C is coming, please do like that. First, just multiply like classwise 4 to the 8. Isn't it? 4 to the 8. Then directly multiply 4 2 on the 2. Then crosswise like 4 5. Isn't the same answer? 8 is to 2 is to 5. It would be the same only. If any problem A is to B, B is to C is coming, just crosswise and middle wise it is multiplied by this thing. It should be where 8 is to 2 is to 5. Just I'm highlighting in relation problem. Definitely, I would solve all the problem like this kind of problems. You will definitely understand in future sessions. Okay. Um, I will take the last problem and I widen this session for first part, and I will take it a two part for the percentage topic. I will cover all the topics for the percentage one. If any questions coming in, please let me know in the comment section, as well as every feedback is a very important thing for our channel for making improve, as well as the uh, make important content in our channel. Okay, this is not at all our channel. This is your channel because we are doing for yours only. Okay. Um, the monthly salary of A and B. Okay, together A and B we don't know together. Together amount is 50,000. A spends 50,000, 80,000 of his salary, and B spends 70,000 of his salary. If now there is a saving of, okay, savings are the same, then what would be the, okay, fine. Given the hint for these things, 50,000 is the both families. I don't know the exact income of A. This is the A income. Then B income should be 5,000. Sorry, 50,000 minus 6 is the B income. Okay, we know the formula. Income is equal to savings plus expenditure. Why this formula income is equal to, if I am the income is 80, for example, I am taking 100 income, 100 rupees I am taking money. For my salary is 100. My saving for every month is 20, and expenditure for my I will expend. What I spend for the family is 80 rupees. Just like that. What is the income? There should be saving and expenditure, like that. We need to remember. Income is equal to saving plus expenditure is the formula. Okay. Anyway, what they given here, the hint is saving is equal. See, for A saving is A spends 80%. Okay, I will, yes, E given. What is the A? He spends 80% means the saving should be 20%. Understand? Here B, the spend 70% means the saving should be 30%. Understand? Should I write savings are equal, like that is saying the savings are the same. Then could I written as 20 by 100x is equal to 30. The anyway 30 is the saving, 30 by 100. But in x we need to return as 50,000 minus here x, because we need to calculate 50,000 minus x. Understand? 100 cancel from both the end. Therefore, remainder should be coming as, this is also neglect. Remaining 2x is equal to 15,000. 15,000 minus 3x. Again, x is equal to, if 3 is coming as that side, 5x is equal to 15,000. 15,000. Therefore, A income is, that is 30,000 friend. 5. A income is 30,000. Then what about the B income? 50,000 minus 30,000, 2,000. This is the answer for this question. 30,000, because I already ruled out. Why? Because from this option, 50,000 should be coming as total sale. Fourth thing, that should be coming. This is also wrong. This is a 1 lakh also. There should be answer coming as this two. Option 1 and 2. Either might be this one or this one. From this anyway, I got 3,000. Last one is 2,000. 50,000 minus 30,000. That should be 2,000. Isn't the answer? We need to do like these kind of problems in any of the exam. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and if I have any thoughts to improve. Oh, because anyway I'm doing in the laptop, that's why I couldn't able to write properly. Just maybe you will understand what I mean to say. In future I will work it out for this one. Once the channel is moving on, we'll do the same as well. Thank you for watching it. Please see the shortcut of the unitary method is the base thing. For the next part, please see the unitary method problems as well as SCF1 as a shortcut to come next. For the next session, just I will do the shortcut because this is the base for all the percentage problems. That's why I'm highlighting all the problems here only. Thank you for watching this video. Please watch all the shortcuts as well as the unitary method problem is the important thing, and then move on to the percentage. Once it is completed, better move on to the I'll move to the part 2 video. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much, friends.